All right, let's talk dough. With the Ninja Kitchen System Pulse, you can effortlessly make homemade doughs in just seconds. Now today, I want to walk you through one of my favorite recipes, pizza dough. Now, forget about ordering out or getting one of those frozen things. Let's make a delicious recipe that's simple and easy. What you need is water, olive oil, salt and sugar, flour, and yeast. Yeast you can find in the baking section at your local grocery store. So here's what you need: the 40-ounce processing bowl and dough blade. Place your dough blade in the 40-ounce processing bowl. Now, I recommend adding your liquid ingredients first. This really helps the dough to combine much better and faster. So first, I'm going to add my water. And next, olive oil. You can also use canola oil if you prefer. Okay, now let's get the yeast in there. Now the yeast really helps the pizza dough to rise, so you've got that really nice fluffy crust. All right. And our sugar and salt already mixed. And finally, the flour. Now I try to evenly pour this around the dough blade. It just helps everything to combine a little bit better. Of course, it's flour. You're going to get a little bit messy, but that's okay. That's half the fun. All right, everything's in. Let's get started. Now I'm going to attach the lid. Again, the pour spout on the lid align with the pour spout on your processing bowl. Let's go ahead and get that on. Okay, and push down to make sure it's tight. Put your pulse handle down. Let's go ahead and attach it to our base. Again, aligning the handle with the icons on the base. Okay, spin it around to lock in place. Now again, you'll notice arrows on the base with the handle to make sure you're aligned. With other recipes, we really recommend to use the pulse technology. Now with doughs, it's best to hold down for at least 20 seconds to really get the ingredients combined, and then pulse. Let's get started. Can you believe that? All right, now I don't know about you, but that's faster than waiting on a delivery guy, and much healthier. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's see how we did. Wow. Seeing it nice, it forms in this nice round ball, so it's easy. You can go ahead and just spread it out using a rolling pin or even with your hands. It's very easy. If you are going to use your hands, use a little bit of flour because sometimes the dough can be sticky. Wow, that looks great. Now remember, don't double up the recipes. Make sure you follow the recipes listed on our site for best results.